a megaphone. Hey, it's a great day because it's the start of the Honk Festival. And this is one day of the year that I can't wait for every year. And now, because you invited us over here from Boston, there's two of those days every year that I can't wait for. It's super, we're so thrilled to be here. And we're just going to keep playing music for you.